Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I'm gonna move the camera a little bit because that's annoying. So I just colored my hair last night and I used one of my favorite brands. They just came out with another color to add to their line and I saw it when I was in the store, and then like everyone started blowing up my DM saying like, can you try this? And I'm just like, I got you. I already bought it. I saw it at the store and I bought it. I just have to get to it to try it. And this is it. It's the Schwarzkopf, whatever. I told you I was going to jack it up the next time I said it because I'm not going to remember how to pronounce it again. The Schwarzkopf Keratin color in the shade Deep Dark Blue, which is 3-11. And look how blue that is. Like, I saw this and I was just like, why don't they tell people that they like added another color to their color line? Like, this is amazing. I am so happy that like brands are like, certain brands are like adding on to their blue line, and it's not just like just blue. It's like blue black, and then here's a deeper blue if you want more blue. Like, I love that. Like, I love how they're definitely like trying to reach like a certain audience, like me, myself, and be like, we're gonna add on to this. And yeah, like this, I was happy when I saw this. So this is 100% gray coverage, and I can tell you that it's legit because even for a blue black, this color lasts forever. Like, if I didn't have to color my hair because of my whites just popping up like crazy, I could go at least like a month and a half without having to recolor my hair because this doesn't fade. It does, but it doesn't fade like as quickly. It takes a lot longer for it to fade. So I love that the coverage is amazing. It doesn't wash out. It just grows. Like, my hair just grows back, and that's when I need to like recolor it. So like, this is why this is my favorite brand. It takes forever to fade. Like, honestly, it takes about two weeks for the blue to fade, and then it just stays jet black for like the rest of the month. It doesn't even fade to like a dark brown. It doesn't even fade to like, it just goes to like a black, just like a nice black. And like, it fades like my sweatshirt. Like, it's not as black as it was. It's just like a soft black now. And I love that. I had very little irritation. Oh, did I mention that I got this from Walmart? Like, I saw it at Walmart when I got it. Obviously you could buy this where any drugstore sells this brand. It has very little irritation, like very little. Like, I would get like an itch here, and it was just like, oh, it itches, and then it's done. It was gone. It wasn't like, oh my God, I gotta itch it. No, it was like very gentle, and there was just like maybe one or two little itchies, and that was it. So this is a 3-step system. Step 1 is like a protectant you put on your hair before you color it. And you know what? I never got step 3 in either of my boxes. So either the factory never put step 3 in here, or someone stole them out of the box. But, which is kind of weird. So yeah, I never did step 3. And usually, because it's like a 3-step process, I would do that, but normally like I don't use the conditioners that come with it. But it's the step 3 is like a K-bond plex that like closes the cuticle so that it like protects the hair even more, and it really conditions and repairs the inner hair structure. So like, it works with step 1. So like, after you wash it out, you're supposed to put like the step 3 in, and then like let it sit for a little bit and whatnot. But I didn't get that, and I don't even know why. It just occurred to me now that I didn't even get it in either of my boxes, which is strange. So like I said, either it was never put in the box, or someone stole the conditioners out of it. But anyways, so step 1 is, it smells kind of strong, like a men's very masculine cologne, and it sticks in your hair, and my hair, just the ends smell like that men's cologne-y scent. Now, if the hair color has a scent, I don't really know, because all I smell the whole time of coloring my hair was the step 1 that you put in. Now, this is how I applied step 1. I put my hair up so it was like just 2 sections. And then I did, because I need 2 boxes, I did 1 box for the bottom half, and I literally just like squirt it on my hand and I rub it in, and then I literally just go like this. And I do just the ends of my hair for that whole bottom section. And then whatever was left over after I used the whole bottle just on that section. And whatever was left over, I would go up just a little bit more and just do like that whole thing. And this is exactly how I would do it. I would just run it through. Now it's going to be wet and tangly, so I suggest using like a big wide tooth comb and just like brush it out so it kind of like moves the product along and like gets all the tangles out, so it makes like for a better like application for your hair color. And then after I did the bottom, I brought down the top, and then I did that and did it the same exact way. I used that whole bottle and I put it in just on the ends, and then whatever was left over after the bottle was done, and I applied it in. I mean, I have a lot of hair, and I really don't think like it did all my hair and it saturated all the ends, but I tried my best. And then I just went in and did my hair color after that. And then I washed it all out and everything. But like I said, I didn't have number 3 to finish, but that's okay. So this hair color does contain toluene, and it does stain your skin and your sink. And like I still have some hair color that just didn't want to come off, but it's not like a terrible thing. Like, it does come off. It just takes a little extra TLC for that. And yeah, so other than that, let's show you the color. Let's move into the natural lighting. Let's see. Ooh, can you see that blue? That blue is popping. I love the fact that it's still just as dark and blue. Like, when I was showering last night, like, that's all that came out was like blue. And I was just like, that's a lot of blue. And it was like very, very blue. You can see the color more over here. But like, that is very pretty. I mean, I love this brand. This brand is amazing. And if you've never tried this keratin color, and you want to, this is really good if you have previously damaged hair, or like you have damaged hair and you are trying to find a gentle hair color that's not going to cause more damage. This is it. When I damaged my hair trying to go from box black to when I tried this hair color, I went to the salon. I went from box black and I wanted to change. I wanted to go to brown, and I thought going to a salon, they wouldn't damage my hair because they have all the tools and stuff to do it. Well, I came home and whatever she did, it did not touch the black, and my hair was so fried, and I needed to recolor my hair, and I wanted something that wasn't going to damage my hair already because I didn't want to cut off any length. And I came across this because it's like I said, it's a 3-step, so it's gonna bond your hair. You're protecting your hair with the serum that you put on before, and then you color it, and then number 3 is supposed to help seal it and protect it and repair the damage and all that from the color and all of that. So that's why I went with this, because it was like a good option for drugstore. And this didn't make my hair feel stringy, damaged. It didn't make my hair feel gross. It made my hair feel healthy again. Like, my hair feels so good, and it doesn't feel like I colored my hair. It doesn't feel like I damaged my hair whatsoever. My ends feel amazing. They don't have like a dry texture to it. Nothing. And it's just, this is a great option if, like, even for like the winter months, like when you're just like, oh, my hair's a little extra dry and it needs a little moisture and all that. Like, this is amazing. So anyways, I will stop rambling, but if there's any other recommendations, like, I have nothing bad to say about this except it's such a beautiful color. I think it's on point for everything that I want, like dark blue and black. I can see both of it in this lighting and the natural lighting, and I took pictures when I was doing school drop off in the car, and it was nice and sunny, so I got some photos of what it looks like in outside, the outside world, instead of inside. So yeah, if there's any other recommendations out there, or like a brand decides to add another blue black to their line that we haven't done yet, I'm kind of running out of options, and I kind of have this itch to go dark or go lighter. Like, I kind of want to go brown and kind of like remove all those black. But I only have like 2 black options left. And I don't know, I'm kind of getting that itch that, like, once those ones are done, after I'm done trying it, I might just let those colors fade, and then I might just go brown. I might try to remove whatever's left after fading it and go brown. I don't know. I got that itch that, like, if I don't get recommendations, I'm going to end up doing it. But yes. So anyways, if you want to see, total brain fart. I update everything on Instagram. So it's Nina_Gilhousen if you don't follow me already. And I will update you guys on this hair color, if it fades, if it bleeds, if like it washes out over my whites, even though it's supposed to be 100% gray coverage, and all of that. Like, I give you the good, the bad, the ugly, and I do not sugarcoat anything, and I let you guys know all that stuff on Instagram to kind of keep you guys updated on the hair color throughout the process, instead of you guys being like, so how does the color go throughout the month? And, you know, so that's kind of like a way to keep in touch. And you can always DM me. Like, it's easier if you want me to try something to take a picture of the product and send it to me through my DMs. And I can actually be like, oh, okay, you want me to try this one? I can find that one now that I know what it looks like, what the name of the color is, and all of that. So it's just easier that way. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.